Hey cozy friends, so today we are going to do some sticker organization. So we're going to take all these stickers right here for the planner and we are going to put them in this sticker stand that I found on Amazon. So if they can't fit in here, we're going to cut them so they can sit off in there like that. So sit back, grab you something to drink, and enjoy. have everything organized. We have our, what are these? These are the cloud stickers. We have the dot stickers. Oh, I have another slot there. That's good. I have the spotlight stickers here. I have the raise stickers, the time block stickers, the label stickers, and these have things on them. Let me see if I can get a piece of paper to show you. So, like these label stickers right here, they have like to do, in progress, complete, to be sorted, inspiration, inserts, blank paper. And then another one has, let's see, this one has quarter 1, quarter 2, winter, summer, January, February, March, May, all that good stuff on this one. And then you have the time block stickers, which are different designs. You have that one, you have this one. And then you have the raised stickers. I think these are my favorite because they're, I don't know if you can see that or not, how they're raised. And they're so pretty. Then we have some more raised stickers, but these are the dots. I think those are pretty too. They're so pretty in the planner. I can't wait to show y'all. Oh, I'm so ready. And this is the alphabet, the letter stickers. These are samples that come in your package. Then here's some tiny ones. These are some more. These are like lifestyle stickers. This is delivery one. It has a little truck on there. Shout out to my girl, Yolanda. Y'all go follow her page. She is a truck driver. She probably helped deliver all this stuff to me, so I appreciate you. Shout out to you. And then here's another design. This is a corner sticker. And then you have your ellipse stickers. I think these are pretty too. And then we have our, what are these? These are the transparent stickers, which these come in this color and also this color right here, which is beautiful. Y'all, it's planner season. It's time. It is time. And I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Here's another one. This one's pretty. These colors are really pretty. And then we have our, why are these turned this way? But we have these two colors. And these are the torn strip stickers. And I had to cut them so they could fit into the slot of this sticker holder. And then these are stickers, just different designs of these. They're pretty too. I have this design, the one with the letters on them. And then you have these. And there's some other design. Yep, this one. Is that it for that? Yeah. I have this one too. And that's that. And then we have, and here, I didn't have enough room to put these. So these can stay in this holder, which is fine because it's easy accessible, so it's okay. So we just have some square flags in here, different colors. We have some Lux page flags with different designs on them. You see that says private, task, contact. Have some tabs in here, index page flags. Have some more right here, matchstick ones. And we have the spotlight. I think these are my favorite. Everything's my favorite. And we have these. What do they call these? Oh, page pins. And they're pretty. My favorite. And then we have the page flag, some more. Different colors. Then back here you just have some sticky notes. So you have the circle page flags. You have a sticky note. More sticky notes. This is the quarter arch. The saddle, which this is my favorite. And then you have the shape sticky notes. And then you have the circle ones, which is cute. I like that. So, is that some, yeah, that's it. And then I have some more stuff back there, but this is like the main thing that I needed to get organized. And I don't know where I got this from. This is not cloth and paper. I think I might have got these off of Amazon, but they're just stripes. So, I don't know. But we got the stickers organized how they're supposed to be. So we'll find a home for them. And then next up is this pile right here. It's time. Thanks for watching.